In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best drone in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. For those who want a real taste of drone racing, the DJI Avida is a good place to start. Like the larger and older DJI FPV, the Avida comes with a pair of FPV goggles, so that you get a first-person view of where your drone is flying, delivered straight to your eyeballs. It also comes with a clever handheld controller that makes flying the Avida more like piloting an aircraft. The Avida was a lot of fun to fly, and easy to pick up. Its fixed propeller guards also make it better able to withstand the air and crash into the ground, a tree, or whatever else is in its flight path. We didn't feel as queasy using the new goggles that came with the Avida as we did with DJI's older FPV goggles, but these were slightly less comfortable. Still, you won't be wearing them for too long a time, as the Avida's battery life of 18 minutes is much shorter than photography-focused drones. Number 4. The DJI Mavic 3's relatively high starting price of $2,000 makes it as significantly more expensive than others on this list, but if you're a professional or enthusiastic photographer wanting superb photos and videos from the sky, then it's an investment that might be worth making. The Mavic 3 packs a 4/3 size image sensor, which is physically larger than any other image sensor you'll get from other drones on this page. That bigger sensor allows it to capture more light and offer better dynamic range. As a result, its 5.1K video looks superb, with tons of detail for cropping into and excellent exposures, even in high-contrast scenarios. It's got sensors all round too, keeping it safe from smashing into obstacles, while its huge 46-minute maximum flight time is better than almost any other drone around. It folds down to the size of a large camera lens, so it's relatively easy to get into a photography backpack, but those of you wanting a tiny drone for traveling should still look to the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Number 3. If you're a drone beginner or an experienced pilot looking for the most portable and lightweight DJI drone available, the 249-gram palm-sized Mavic Mini 2 is a great option. Not only is this drone exempt from requiring the owner to register with the CAA, UK, and FAA, US, it's also packed with some impressive features despite its diminutive size. With a 1x2.3-inch 12MP sensor, you can shoot stills in both RAW and JPEG format, as well as up to 4K video. It also features a folding design that makes it incredibly small, to the point where you barely notice it being carried in a bag. Flight time is advertised as being up to 31 minutes, and there's also a digital zoom offering up to 4x magnification when shooting full HD video, 3x at 2.7K and 2x at 4K, allowing you to safely get closer to the action you're shooting. The features on offer are impressive, although there's no RAW video recording available. But this is unsurprising in a beginner model. And there's certainly more than enough features to keep even experienced pilots happy. Safety features are pared down compared to more advanced Mavic models, in that it doesn't offer collision obstacle avoidance, but it does use GPS positioning and offers return to home functionality. Number 2. With its large 1-inch image sensor, the DJI Air 2S is able to take great-looking photos and videos from the sky. It'll shoot video at up to 5.4K resolution, while still images can be taken in DNG RAW format at up to 20 megapixels. The drone has a variety of intelligent flight modes, too, that makes it particularly easy to capture cinematic footage, even when you're out hiking by yourself, including a mode that follows you as you walk through the hills, and a mode that automatically circles a point of interest. One thing it doesn't do is flip the camera over to let you shoot in portrait orientation. That's a shame, as it means that capturing vertical video for TikTok or Instagram Reels is more difficult, as you'll need to crop your video down the middle, losing a lot of resolution in the process. If that's a priority for you, look towards DJI's Mini 3 Pro. It's as easy to fly as others in the DJI range, and it has a range of obstacle sensors to help keep it in the air and avoid it plowing headlong into a tree or wall. Its maximum flight time of up to 31 minutes is solid for a drone of this size, but it can be bought with a bundle of extra batteries for those of you that want to capture more footage from the sky. Its folding design makes it quite easy to fit into a photography backpack, but it's physically larger and heavier than DJI's mini range, so keep that in mind if you're after the lightest model to take on your travels. But its combination of flight time, automated flying modes and excellent image quality make it a superb all-round that's well worth considering. Number 1. For those who want a real taste of drone racing, the DJI Avida is a good place to start. Like the larger and older DJI FPV, the Avida comes with a pair of FPV goggles, so that you get a first-person view of where your drone is flying, delivered straight to your eyeballs. It also comes with a clever handheld controller that makes flying the Avida more like piloting an aircraft. The Avida was a lot of fun to fly, and easy to pick up. Its fixed propeller guards also make it better able to withstand the air and crash into the ground, a tree, or whatever else is in its flight path. We didn't feel as queasy using the new goggles that came with the Avida as we did with DJI's older FPV goggles, but these were slightly less comfortable. Still, you won't be wearing them for too long a time, as the Avida's battery life of 18 minutes is much shorter than photography-focused drones. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.